Family, Dr. Sweet here. And you're already winning because guess what? You've made it to Friday. This is Finish Strong Friday, as you know, on the Sweet Spot. And as your board certified sports and performance psychiatrist, I've seen countless finish lines. I've seen many career defining moments happen in the final seconds. But today's message, it's for anyone who's ever sprinted to a deadline, anyone who's pushed through that last rep or stayed up late chasing a dream, an assignment. Welcome to Finish Strong Friday. You know, what's funny about finishing strong is this. Everyone is gangbusters at the beginning. We all start strong. That's never a problem. But champions understand and know that the real magic happens in those final moments. And let me show you why. Picture this. It's the fourth quarter, final mile or last hour of your workday. That's when most people start watching the clock, right? Like in those moments. But you know what? That's also when history gets made, and that's often missed. That's when ordinary becomes extraordinary. It's in those last few minutes. This week, we've been exploring appreciation. Monday, we built the mindset. Tuesday, we took action. Wednesday, Win It All Wednesday, we claimed our victories. And on Trust Yourself Thursday, just yesterday, we trusted our journey. But today on Finish Strong Friday, we're putting it all together for your victory lap. And here's the thing about finishing strong, my friend. It's not about having more energy than everyone else. It's about appreciating the energy that you're using differently. Your breath, that's your fuel. That challenge you're facing, that's the fire to keep you moving. Those doubts that are plaguing you, well, that's just your next record waiting to be broken. You get it? These are all dynamic perspective changes using the power of appreciation, appreciating things differently to help you see things differently so that you can transform doubt and fear and anxiety into the fuel and the fire that makes you a finisher. Let me give you what I call the victory vault. 3 keys to unlock your strongest finish. Put this in your mind and keep it. It'll help you tremendously. It's what we use with athletes all the time. The first one is the power hour. Appreciate these next 60 minutes like they're your last. Just go ahead. Like if these were your last 60 minutes, how urgent would everything be? How alive would you be? How in tune would you be? How prioritized would you be, right? So the power hour is critical to start cultivating in your mind. Number 2, the champion's choice. Make the hard decision now that you'll appreciate a bit later. There's a famous book, I forgot the name of it, but listen, they talk about a list of things to do, and on the list is eat a frog. And what the author of that book says is this: look, eat the frog first. Don't put it off. If that's on your list, do the tough thing first. Make the hard decision now. And the third thing, the legacy move. Do something future you will thank present you for. Very simple. These 3 keys will help you unlock a strong finish. And why does that matter? Because your last move could be your best move. Your finish line is someone else's starting line. Think about that. Your example could be someone else's inspiration. Your Friday finish sets up your Monday momentum. It's all connected, my friend. Listen, this isn't just about ending your week. It's about ending in a way that makes your next week better. Your finish line, that's just the next starting line in disguise. That's the key. Appreciate that. So as you appreciate this moment, own this energy that we're talking about and show yourself, show everyone what finishing strong really looks like. So if you're ready to sort of finish strong with me, join the movement. Find me on Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and on YouTube. Subscribe at Derek Sweet. Drop me a line if you can. Tell me about how you're finishing this week and how you feel and act like a champion. This is Dr. Sweet, and you're in the sweet spot, where we don't just finish, we finish strong. Take care. Let's make history. I'll see you tomorrow. You know what tomorrow is? Oh, you guessed it. It's Self-Care Saturday. Talk soon.